Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, might sound like something from a science fiction movie, but it's actually a part of our everyday lives. Imagine having a super smart robot that can help you with your homework, play games, or even tell jokes. That's kind of what AI is all about. This guide will help you understand AI in a fun and easy way. What is AI? AI means making machines smart. It's like giving computers and robots a brain so they can think and learn just like we do. There are two main types of AI. Narrow AI. This type of AI is really good at doing one thing. For example, Siri or Alexa can talk to you and answer questions. Another example is the recommendation system that tells you what videos to watch next on YouTube. General AI. This type of AI is like a super smart robot that can do anything a human can do. Right now, this kind of AI is still just an idea, and scientists are working on making it real. How does AI work? AI works by following a set of rules or instructions called algorithms. These algorithms help the computer learn from data and get better at tasks over time. Here are some important parts of AI. 1. Machine learning, ML. This is when a computer learns from data. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize pictures of cats by showing it lots of cat photos. Over time, the computer gets better at knowing what a cat looks like. 2. Deep learning. This is a special kind of machine learning that uses structures called neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain. Deep learning helps computers understand things like pictures and speech better. 3. Natural language processing, NLP. This helps computers understand and talk in human language. Chatbots that can chat with you, or virtual assistants that understand your voice, use NLP. Everyday applications of AI. AI is all around us, making our lives easier and more fun. Here are some examples you might know. Smartphones. Your phone uses AI for face recognition to unlock the screen and for predictive text when you're typing messages. Social media. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok use AI to show you posts and videos they think you'll like. Online shopping. Websites like Amazon use AI to recommend products based on what you've looked at before. Healthcare. AI helps doctors diagnose diseases and create personalized treatment plans. Transportation. Apps like Google Maps use AI to find the fastest routes and avoid traffic. AI is also being used to develop self-driving cars. Benefits of AI. AI has a lot of cool benefits. 1. Efficiency and productivity. AI can do tasks quickly and accurately, making things faster and easier. 2. Personalization. AI can suggest things you might like, such as movies, music, or clothes. 3. Improved healthcare. AI helps doctors find diseases early and choose the best treatments. 4. Safety and security. AI helps keep us safe by detecting dangers and protecting against online threats. Challenges and concerns. AI is amazing, but it also has some challenges. 1. Privacy. AI needs a lot of personal data, so it's important to keep that data safe. 2. Bias. Sometimes AI can make unfair decisions if it's trained on biased data. 3. Job displacement. As AI gets better, some jobs might be done by machines instead of people. 4. Autonomy and control. We need to make sure AI stays under human control and follows ethical guidelines. The future of AI. The future of AI is super exciting. Scientists are working on making AI even smarter and more helpful. AI could lead to amazing advances in medicine, environmental protection, and education. But it's important to use AI responsibly and make sure it benefits everyone. How can you engage with AI? You don't need to be a scientist to get involved with AI. Here are some ways you can learn more. 1. Learn the basics. There are lots of websites and videos that explain AI in a fun and simple way. 2. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest news about AI and its developments. 3. Use AI tools. Try out AI-powered apps and tools like virtual assistants and photo editors. 4. Join conversations. Talk about AI with your friends and family. Share what you've learned and hear their thoughts. Conclusion: artificial intelligence is changing the world in amazing ways. By understanding the basics of AI, you can see how it affects your life and the world around you. Whether you're using AI-powered tools, learning about new AI discoveries, or talking about AI with others, you can be a part of this exciting technological adventure. Thanks for watching. If you had fun and learned something new about AI, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We love hearing from you. So leave a comment with your questions or tell us what you think about AI. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Keep exploring and stay curious about the amazing world of technology. You can be a part of this exciting technological adventure.